Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you ParkMobile app how to use. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow these tips as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up the App Store, and then on the search bar simply type in ParkMobile app. Now once it loads, simply tap on the app and then tap on the get button or install button according to your device to simply download the app. Now once you have downloaded the app, what you need to do is open up the app, and once you open up the app here, create an account, sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. Provide your name, email and payment details, and once that's done, what you need to do is find your parking spot. Use the app to find parking locations by entering your location via address, city or nearby landmark. The app will show available spaces and parking zones. Zoom in the map to see available parking spots in your area. You'll also be able to see the parking rate for different locations. Choose a spot. After finding a suitable parking space, the app will display the pricing and time limits for that spot. Now choose the duration, select how long you plan to park. The app will automatically calculate the price based on the parking duration. Confirm the location, zone number, time and cost. Tap on start parking to begin your session. You'll receive a confirmation message and can track the remaining time in the app. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.